Hello and welcome to today's Yellowwood project demonstration. For today's project, we'll be building a Hummingbird Feeder box. It will give you something elegant to look at, as well as protect the hummingbird food from harmful UV rays. For a complete list of materials and a cut list, download this project's plans for free at yellowwood.com. Now, as a reminder, whenever you're working with power tools, you want to wear the proper protective equipment. We have our ear protection, eye protection, a mask for dust, as well as our gloves. For today's build, here are the supplies that you're gonna need. A miter saw, a jigsaw, a brad nailer, a power drill, a 3/8" diameter drill bit, a router, one piece of lumber measuring 1 by 6 by 4, a 1/4" dowel, 1" galvanized brads, a 1/4" screw eye, and the Hummingbird feeder that you will use. First step, we're headed to the miter saw to cut up our 1 by 6. They're all going to be the same length, 8 inches long. These will form the 4 walls of our box. We've finished cutting the 4 walls to our box. Now we're gonna want a couple slits on 2 of these sides to be able to tell the level of the hummingbird food inside. To do that, we'll drill 2 holes with our drill press and then connect them, cutting out the middle with our jigsaw. Now that our slits are cut with our jigsaw, we're using our 1" brads to assemble our 4 walls together. For the top of our box, I've cut another length of our 1 by 6, the same width as our box. That'll cap right on top. And then for decoration's sake, I cut another block that will go right on top of that, a couple inches shorter in each direction. Let's go over to the router, clean up these edges, and then we'll fasten them together onto the box. We've finished up routing the edges of our top and our cap. Now we're simply going to use our 1" brads to attach them together. It's time to attach it to our box. We want to be able to take the top off in order to refill our hummingbird feeder whenever we want. We are going to add another block of our 1 by 6 to the bottom of this, roughly the same size as our opening. We will attach that to our top. Once we add our top, we will then drill in a hole from either side. So here we have our holes drilled into the sides of our box going through our lid. We want to take the top off, simply remove the dowels. We have access to our bird feeder. Now before we attach the bottom to the box, we need to cut a hole in it so that the bottom part of our bottle will fit through it. To finish off the bottom, I've marked out where our hole needs to be. To cut it out, we'll simply drill 4 holes in the corner with our drill press and then cut out the rest with our jigsaw. Now, depending on the size of your hummingbird feeder bottle, that will determine the size of the hole you'll need. For us, we're just doing a 2" by 2" hole in the bottom. Now that we've cut this hole for our bottle to fit through, let's go ahead and attach the bottom to our box with our brad nails. Now that our bottom is attached, it's time to stain. To stain our project, we're using a Yellowwood Protector series. This is a semi-transparent stain as well as water-repellent wood sealer. It offers powerful UV protection, and we're using the rich walnut color. Our final step, adding our screw eye to the top. I'll do that first by drilling a pilot hole, then screwing it in by hand. Okay, that does it for our hummingbird feeder box. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you follow along and try it out for yourselves at home. Don't forget, at yellowwood.com, you can find full instructions and materials for this project, downloadable for free. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any DIY content. Thanks for watching.